What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Internet Computer, which has hit a green candle finally guys. It is up nearly about 12% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over $11, and as you guys can see throughout the last 24 hours it has been consistently gaining value. So we're going to be looking at what is next for ICP. Is this the recovery point, or is it going to slowly start to gain value, or is it going to crash back down further? Again, we all know how the crypto market has been performing over the last week or two, with major red candles, including Bitcoin as well, which has had a negative impact on the crypto market. But is now the recovery time? Is now the time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? And looking at its overall prediction for 2024, a lot of people have been saying it should be able to hit the $100 mark. So how true or how reliable can that be? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video as well. And if not, how high can it go? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we are at a critical point right now where it's either going to break out into the dark green zone or crash back down into the green zone. But we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ICP, which is here in purple at $12.07. However, the actual value of ICP is here in red at a slightly lower value. So it is not performing as well, but because it is very close to the SMA indicator, it is pretty much on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for ICP? And overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, because it has been pumping quite a bit, I am expecting it to drop down a little bit over the next couple of hours and then peak back up in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So essentially trading just below $12 is where I'm expecting ICP to be trading at by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon. So minimal increase in value from where it is at the moment, but in between that time do expect dips in value, just like how it's been performing over the last couple of hours with green and red candles. But the overall outcome has clearly been positive, so that is likely to repeat at a slower pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well. So again, this is not realistic because it's looking so steep, and the reason it's looking steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last 24 hours. However, it is definitely not going to be performing like what we see in this graph here, but I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from ICP over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, the crypto should be trading around just above $13, near about hitting $14, somewhere around this price range here is where I'm expecting ICP to be trading at. Reason for that is it has taken quite of a dip over the last week, 10 days, so it is slowly starting to, should slowly start to recover back up in value. So we should see more green candles over the coming days. ICP should be trading around just over $13 is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, now we have taken a complete U-turn. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking steep due to the fact that the crypto has been dropping quite hard over the last 10 days. But over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late March and early April 2024, I'm expecting ICP to have gone for an overall increase in value, potentially heading over $20 in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by late March and early April. But with the Bitcoin halving, this could have a major impact on the crypto market around April time. So of course, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict, but only closer to the time we'll be able to see what impact it would have on the crypto market. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because I am uploading every single day on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict as well, to keep you guys in the loop on any new updates and news on the crypto market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are currently at the very close to the resistance level here. I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further over the coming hours into the green zone and potentially pump back up, break out into the dark green zone and potentially into the blue zone by early February is what I'm expecting. But again, I will of course keep you guys updated more on ICP before the beginning of Feb if there are any major updates. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 27% in the last 24 hours, making it $185 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Again, reason for that is it has been gaining value, so a lot more people are now interested in trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and hence why the trading volume is going up, and in return the actual value of ICP is also going up in value as well, which is currently a win-win situation. But again, those of you guys who are looking to invest into it right now, just make sure you got your risk management on point, because the crypto market has been a little bit shaky over the last couple of days. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ICP. Regarding ICP hitting the $100 mark, I don't believe it would hit that this year. Reason for that is, for it to hit that target, it's going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting at the moment, not this year anyway, but I'm expecting it to head over to around $40 to $50 by the end of the year and potentially hit $100 over the coming years, but depending on how the crypto market performs. So comment down below, how high are you guys expecting ICP to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.